Hello, this is the Tachibana Tech channel coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we are pretty excited to get our hands on the AirCove Wi-Fi 6 router by Express VPN. Now, Express VPN offered us a large discount on this AirCove router that they make because we have been an Express VPN member for a long time. All right, let's go ahead and show you the box. The box itself looks pretty cool, actually. It's pretty simple. That's the Express VPN logo. Same, yeah. Here's the back. It shows you all the great things about it. What I really liked is that the reviews online show that it was very simple, just like it says right there in box one, and that security was a big thing with us, which is one of the reasons why we use it. And speed, that was a big thing because encrypting and decrypting traffic can be very hard on a router. And most of the people that have bought this router before have mentioned that it's really fast, which shows not only quality engineering, but very powerful processors inside of it. All right, let's go ahead and get this open. All right, so all I needed to do was remove the plastic from the side. And here we go. As you can see, it's a fairly plain box at this point, all black. All right. That's nice. Very colorful. Let's begin. All right, setting up your Express VPN AirCove. Power on your router, connect to Wi-Fi, and set up your router. Could not be more simple. There's what's in the box, a 2-piece power adapter, an Ethernet cable, which is nice. Hopefully it's a good Cat series cable. And there's your router setup, nice and easy. And there's your support, and hold down the reset button for 10 seconds to reset your router. All right. They gave us some stickers. I guess if you're really a big fan of ExpressVPN, you have some stickers. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, the limited warranty. All right, you guys can pause on that if you guys would like to see it. But here's the router. It's pretty slick. It's very slick. It's a little bit heavier than most models in its range, but that's going to be hardly noticeable if you have it sitting somewhere. And then as you can see, it's got its 4 adjustable antennas. Like that. Not too bad. Then it has the ExpressVPN logo on the top. Would expect nothing less. It's probably a power or status light. It's not too bad. So over here you can see what looks like a power button and a USB flap. Right there. Oh, this is not a flap. It just comes out. Interesting. Okay. Gotta put this back so no dust gets in there. I like that they put this cover here so that way there's no dust getting in there. And of course you have 4 LAN ports. There's your reset button. Here's the power and internet. Clearly labeled. All right. All right, so the rest of the box is, here's the Ethernet cord. That's what was in this box. So it has the adapter here that can take these 2. Oh, they have more than 2. So it has 3 different power adapters you can put in here, so that way it works in your country, which is very nice. Standard power cord, nothing's fancy there. And here's the Ethernet cable. Let's go ahead and see what category it is. Hoping for at least a 7. Future-proof it a little. So they gave us a category 6 cable. It's not the best, but it's not the worst, so I'll take that as a win still. And it's flat, which is very nice for when you're trying to wire your house. And with that, I do believe that is the end of our ExpressVPN AirCove router unboxing. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you would like us to unbox, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.